Number 45, test 1. Go ahead and turn there in the red book, pause this, take a look, and then we'll go for it. As you look at this question, you're going to notice it is a word problem. And what's cool here is they give you all this stuff about snowstorms and accumulation, time-lapsing. But I want to dig into what's really important in this question. So I always ask in word problem strategy, what am I trying to find? And once I dig into this question, I see that what I'm trying to find is which of the following graphs. So I'm just going to write which graph, okay, shows, and they give us 2x minus 5y equals negative 5. So it wants to know which of the graphs below is depicting this. So as we dig into this, what I have to ask then is, how do I know what my slope is, what my y-intercept is? And the way that we dig into this is we have to put this in slope-intercept form. Remember that from a while ago, y equals mx plus b? So we take this, the way we get this back to y equals mx plus b is we need to add 5y here and 5y here. So we get 2x equals negative 5 plus 5y. Well, we still need to take this negative 5 over here. So we add 5, and we get 2x plus 5 equals 5y. Right. So once we have this, we still have one more step. And I'll write it up here so you can see it a little more clearly. Okay, the last thing we need to do here is we need to divide by 5 across the whole thing. So we divide by 5 here, and all of this by 5. And once we do that, we get 2/5 x plus 1 equals y. So now we have this equation. Now, does that look familiar? That looks better, doesn't it? Once we have this, now we can solve this question. So we know that our 1 here, okay, from y equals mx plus b. All right, this is our y-intercept. So 1, if we look at the graph, find the one where 1 is the y-intercept. And you can see that answer choices C, E, and D, none of those have 1 as the y-intercept. But if we look at A and B, they both have 1 as the y-intercept. Now the issue here for A and B is they both, hey, it's a question now of slope. So the slope, 2 over 5. Slope is rise over run. Remember this. Rise over run. So we want to see the equation where it's going up 2, because that's the rise, and over 5. So you look at B, that is not going up 2 and over 5. It's actually the opposite. But if we look at answer choice A, it has a slope of 2/5. So it's going up 2 over 5. And it has a y-intercept of 1. So your answer here is answer choice A.